The opportunities to transform shipping containers into breathtaking modern family homes are vast and endless. In this video, we bring to you the first shipping container home in Grand-Chute, Appleton, Wisconsin. Stay tuned to find out more about this breathtaking shipping container home. Welcome back. If you want to learn more on shipping container living, kindly subscribe. If you like our content, give us a thumbs up or your opinion in the comment section below. Without further ado, let's get started. This modern West Coast designed residence with Midwest sensibility is the first shipping container home in Grand-Chute. This amazing home is one of its kind, built by Appleton-based home builder Factotum Inc., which has a vast experience in constructing residential buildings using repurposed shipping containers. The main structure of the house is built using 4 shipping containers integrated with structural insulated panels. The home's footprint has an H-shaped layout with 2 53-foot containers and 2 40-foot containers set apart by 5 feet. The overall arrangement creates a home with 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms with 3,000 square feet of habitable space, including a basement. A wide driveway leads to a 2-car garage attached to the main house. The open courtyard between the 2 wings of the house accommodates a footpath from the driveway on the edge of the house along an elevated planter which leads to the main entrance that ushers you into a big open-plan living space. The internal container walls were cut out to create a large open-plan living space. On the immediate left of the entrance lobby is a spacious modern kitchen, ideal for a modern family setup. The fully fitted kitchen is outfitted with modern countertops, wood-grained cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, and lots of cabinet storage. The kitchen sink sits in front of a large horizontal slit window to light up the sink space and to create a beautiful framed-out view of the woodlands. The kitchen has a big central island with a cooktop ideal for a breakfast area. The kitchen seamlessly connects to the big, well-lit living space. Next to the kitchen is an elegant dining area fitted with a custom dining table with bespoke dining chairs that can comfortably accommodate a big family of 8. Opposite the dining area is a sun-soaked lounge area, nicely furnished with brightly colored leather seats, an easy chair, a custom coffee table, and a beautiful floor mat to define the lounge space. Taking advantage of the 5-foot gap between the containers, the designers created a series of roof lights in the infill space between the containers. To complement the natural lighting, contemporary indoor lights fitted with LED lighting hang from the ceiling to give the space an instant glamour and appeal. The big glass windows create a light-drenched living space with panoramic views of the woodland. The big glazed openings help to eliminate the need of using artificial lighting during the day. From the living room, there are separate bedroom wings that accommodate 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. The first bedroom is fully furnished and is fitted with an adequately sized window, a cozy double bed with enough pillows, and a bedside lamp. The cozily proportioned second bedroom features a comfortable bed, bedroom storage, and enough colored furniture pieces to add a pop of color. The bedrooms are served by spacious bathrooms with separate access doors. To crown it up, the home has a sizable master bedroom furnished with a queen-sized bed with a bespoke silk headboard, a bedside lamp, a full walk-in closet, and a dressing table. Just off the master bedroom is a big wooden barn door that opens into a stunning master bathroom. The master bathroom features a freestanding tub, a walk-in shower, a separate toilet cubicle, and a double wall-mounted vanity for an ultra-modern aesthetic. The floors throughout the house are finished in polished concrete to give the house an industrial charm with a sleek, modern look. The polished concrete floors throughout the house are installed with radiant inflow heating to keep the house warm during cold weather. From inside the house, the presence of industrial finishes are everywhere you look to celebrate the industrial-inspired design of the home. Appearing in the exposed corrugated ceilings of shipping containers, the HVAC system exposed above the ceiling, the corrugated steel siding on the exterior, and the polished concrete floors to celebrate the industrial vibe of the design. The house is lush with modern finishes and furnishings, creating a comfortable, playful, and fun-filled modern interior space. The interior walls and ceilings are painted white to create a feel of openness and spaciousness, eliminating any feeling of confinement synonymous with shipping container spaces. There is a handmade staircase that leads to the basement of the house. The wood and steel stairs were handmade on site using rough cut timber from the local sawmill. The basement space accommodates an entertainment space, a home office, lots of storage, a children's play area, and house utilities. The industrial charm of the house is also visible throughout the basement space, with exposed underfloor steel beams painted black, exposed HVAC ductwork, and polished concrete floors. A standard glass door from the dining space leads onto a spacious outdoor deck at the back of the house. The deck is a nice outdoor space, open to sky and well sheltered in a courtyard space at the rear of the building. The deck offers amazing garden views where you can relax any time of the day and read a book or admire the setting over a cup of tea or outdoor family dining with barbecue. The large openings of the house creates a seamless indoor-outdoor connection to the landscape. From outside, there is no hint this amazing, stunning home is built using repurposed shipping containers. The home's exterior is cladded with industrial steel siding plus exotic Brazilian tiger wood that is well loved for its durability and dramatic beauty as it turns from blonde to red over time as the wood ages. From outside, if someone told you this amazing house is built using repurposed shipping containers, it will be almost impossible to believe. We love everything about this amazing, breathtaking shipping container home. Which part of this amazing house appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comments section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. You are encouraged to subscribe to our YouTube channel for amazing weekly videos on shipping container living. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.